Cuban page ki kubot babnya ipit chwa ki mat pekongsan. Syajid Menteri Rang Badu Keri Narendra Modi kumunong yalam ke Lok Sabha ke BJP bat ke NDA Parliamentary Party dah ke jingya monlang Jongbaro. Kerpat UMLA ke nongpo ya ikong benda sim ban weng no ya ke jing sya tangan. Kintat ikong benda sim ya ke jing kot ngomha jong Deputy Commissioner. Rai ke Sarkar ban wanra ya ke step marking system ha embos. But penlong u District Medical Health Officer NHM Riboy District ya ke program penkop buram ha UCC College. Ki kubor ke babnya ka NDA Parliamentary Party kalajit ya u Narendra Modi kumunong yalam ha ka jingalang kablalong hanong pa Delhi ne kesngi. Unong yalam rangba ka BJP Rajnath Singh ulawanra ka jing terwa banjit ya Modi kumunong yalam ke NDA bat la kershan ya kini dekin nong yalam ke NDA. Modi wala syajit ru kum unong yalam ke BJP Lok Sabha bat ke BJP Parliamentary Party. Habat terwai ke kerteng Modi Rajnath Singh ulaong ba ulong mau ba pakatam na kebenta kani ke syuki. Habat kershan ya kini ke jing terwa Amit Shah ulaong bakan ni kamde tang ke jing kwa jong ki nong yalam ki badon ka jing yalang jong ke NDA Parliamentary Party. Hinrei ka day jong ki shispa sao folklore ngut ki nong song snong kari India. U MLA ka nongpo uba mineral bonds im ne kasi ula kentu ye ikong bendas im. Ban weng no ka jing sya tngan kapala sedang nadu nin kasngi ha secretariat Shillong. Hab ai jing krenj kenong patai kubor uba mineral bond ula ong ba ka surok kadang don ha pedeng ka jing pentre bat ula kentu ru ye kipat ba jong ko umden bat kinong song snong ba kin long ki beyaisha. Shu ula ong ba kani ke projek kadang hap hapo ka jing siang pipe bat kidang up ya ka jing bay pisa nakatana dona.
I would like to request citizens to be patient. This is the project which is under the pipeline. It is under process. The concept paper, the DPR, from the Ministry of Donor, the funding we are awaited from the Ministry of Donor for around 20 kilometer, which before it was 10 kilometer, but recently we had a review that it will be up to Umden, the intermediate lane for the first phase. And my request to Kong Binda Sim to withdraw her hunger strike. She has been there in additional secretariat since yesterday. My humble request is that to be patient, even to her also I express my sincere thanks, and to the people who went there to be with her, to accompany also, I express my sincere thanks. But my sincere request is that to please withdraw the hunger strike.
Ikong bendas im ibede inong song snong jong ka maulong nong tulo Riboy District ila kentat ya ka jing kot ngobau Deputy Commissioner jong ka East Khasi Hills District bani kren halor ka jing dawa ka jong i ha ka office trekam ka jong u ha ba kren skla patai kubor ikong bendas ila ong ba ka jing ki jong i kan yai biteng tat hado ba ka sarkar kan pen urlong ya ka jing dawa ka jong i ila ong ru bo Deputy Commissioner jong ka East Khasi Hills District hne kasngi lingba ka tanat pulit ula khot ngobhai i bani kendu ya u ha ka por sau beje janmiet hinre ila kentat ya kani ka jing dawa penban bala da ikwa bani kren ki dei banwan ska jaka ba isong bansha thangan.
Tenaga dia dengan atas tadi dia kata dia jumpa dia Meghalaya juga ngamla ban le yakran haga office jungki kila da kidon kam ban yakran na kila ban wan ni haja ka ban shong ne ko surat kan naga lian jong ka health department bang kim patwan ang ne dremen ne I madam Iwan Syah yang ada di polis kimot banwan Syah yang anangnya kimot le gerak yang Syah hospital ban le medical yang kena kalian juga ngak kentak ngam tre ban le Syah hospital.
Menteri Ketenaga Puli Putih urakam isang mau la penting ba kesorkar kalashim ya karai ban wanra ke step marking system ha ka Meghalaya Board of School Education. Haba kali urakam la ong ba karukom pelong examen ka CBSE lani ka ICSE kila penteri kam ka grading and marking system ha karukom ken marks ha ka exam.
CBSE pattern, ICSE pattern. Because they adopt the grading and the step marking system in the evaluation process of the examination. We are also planning to introduce step marking system in the Meghalaya Board of School Education, and we will examine on this. And yes, so we want to have out, because practically now what is happening is a question is set for mathematics question of 5 marks. There's a process, there's a system how to put in the formula, how to calculate the algebra, how to calculate the numerical. All system is there. After completing all the system and the process, finally the result came out.
Menteri Bedikmi Ketenaga Boarding AT Mondal ulakam ba kajing maramot kajing king umyam bat kadam on salak ben pendap ha ka bukut jong benai nai tung lanin nailar Henry on sa patha iki ben ya na kasurok ka bakalan Shushu bakran halor kajing long jingman Ketenaga Boarding ha ka jela Menteri laong bakladon kajing perlip ding kha ha kini ki khendiat sngi ha ka ba ka eryong remal kala penjot ki sainar electric bat kajing sam boarding Henry ki he ka MEECL Klatreshitam ban penyok boarding biang ha kejela.
That we will complete in due course of time. What I told you, that July end or August, first week of August. We are working also to allow the vehicle to pass in zigzag way so that we can work in a better way to complete the work. So two lane, no, left and right wing. If you go down, we'll allow some vehicle to go to right, then take a left turn to the already completed concrete one, then they go, and then they took the right again to exit. So by the meantime, we'll cover the portion which will not allow them to go. I think that the last cyclone Remal has devastated our power distribution and transmission system. So we are working on it. Somewhere you might have seen that our ground staffs, they are working day and night to see that power supply is restored as early as possible.
Ka jingilum lang jong ki sangut kinongelam snong kelap pensok biet ya ka KHEDC ka bede bat ka kamram jong ki rang ba snong bat ki dor bar snong. De bentok syai ka Meghalaya building bylaws 8,000 atwe. Ha ka ba ya de ba ka jing ai jing bit bentaying. Habakren kelap patai kubor urang ba snong ka maupat uba juda wa lang ulong ba kam shimla don ka jing patai ka basai halor ka kamram jong kirang ba snong lani ki dor bar snong ha ka be day ba ka jing ai jing bit bantaying ha ka building bylaws ha ka juk ko port usimbot CEM ka KHEDC uba pensngan NCM ulong ba ka sorkar jela kala itu ka council kum ka way na ka bor ka bala ban ai jing bit kat kum ki kindon pala ka do ka Meghalaya building bylaws 8,000 atwe. Ula pentip ki dor bar snong ki kwa bandon ka jing patai syai ha ka bylaws halor ka kamram jong ki ha ka bay day ba ka jing ai jing bit pentay
Weru kidon yang di bala nasional pa shwa bangin menteri kam da state government kala itu yang kum gawe ga authority bangin issue yang building permissions kat kum ka Meghalaya urban building bylaws hoi kedon gawe ka clause ka baong ba ka authority kala ban shushu ginu ki document ladadon kam di haitai bentai clause ni rung ya kata ba ong ba endon kam ya ka accommodation dong orang ba shnong jin tho ba shai na orang ba shnong ba hoi kan ni ka yin la shna lupa swaban pendiri kam ya kan ni ka building permission ki ada ka dis council dia kata ro kamdon ka ba shai ba ite kata ro ki ko ban pendrung ka na ka bylaws
U MLA Kamairang uba met ba lingdo lembat ki he katna PWD kilalet jurip ya kesurok halat dom mauro mauli nen kesngi kani ke jing let jurip ke jongki ka pentikna ba ke jing siang kesurok kane biteng knang ban la ban pendep ya ka kapor ke babiang uba met ba aba ajeng kranski pat ba ula ong ba ke jing tmu ke bakong san kalong ban penyesno ya ki snong ha ki than nong kendong ula kularu ban but dien hakabai day bat artli ki surok na nong klau sha kenrut nong krem bat na so de dek sha umtro
ini rayo ira sanction na bentar ini ki surok ila kimai kisnong moli kan dom sini bat kunjuru hakaju kupor naka bentar kituki surok kibade na du nong kinapo nong klau sa kendrut nong krem kituru lakung gunungi lakmi tiba hakanika sipnai tam dunai ngi twin tiba in sayot lai sanction
U District Medical Health Officer NHM Riboy District ulapan long ke program penkup burom nin kesngi ha UCC College Umber ban ai burom ikinos ANM U Deputy Commissioner U Arpit Upadhyay ula long u kongsan bat lasen ran u da ka Dr. AR Marak Additional DMHO Haganik program la itho ya kejing nok sinyang jong kinos ANM bat kinong kmi ha kaban penlong ya kejing hikai ban pen kakhun ha ka district barok kawe jong usnem 8000 arpulai 8000 arpusau haba ai jing kren Upadhyay ula pen pau ya kejing sungu ke jong u ya kinos kinong tre asha ba kinong sumar halor kejing syakri ke jong ki wat hapedeng bon kejing
not an easy task to be available to the pregnant woman, to a person who is in dire need at every time, at all hours, night time, during monsoons, when the road is bad, when you have to walk on foot for immunization, for village health and sanitation days. So I have understood these challenges which you face little bit, and it has always been an inspiration for me. Whenever I am thinking of something, some challenges come up, I always see that, okay, in a remote corner, in a village where we have a case of refusal, but still our ANM, our ASHA, our health staff is always ready to do their duty.
Ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board kelarake ka World Environment Day Hajawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya mau plang hinin kesngi ka jing temu ban pelong kani ka program shabarsor ka long ban pensapriang jing tip bat penrung ha ka jing mujung perkhat ki kena ya ka jing don kam ban penne ka mariang la penlong ya kani ka program halau kentang jong ka hima mau plang U Commissioner but Secretary jong Katanat Forest and Environment U Praveen Bakshi ula long U kongsan harengkat ka jing don lang U Chairman ka MSPCB U RT Naina Malay nalor kiwe U nong yalam ka NPP U rakam sangmau la ther ting ka BJP baka kampai khamat sha ka Hindutwa Banya kasin syar kadar hagini ki ship house nem balalet. Ulakan tho bakane kalong ka jingker siuthia. Uni unong yalam ke NPP ulaong baka seng kan sa syong perkhat ban khmi halor ka jingmi na ka election Lok Sabha. Hakaju kapor ke NPP klap tha ye udkhot ka Lok Sabha uba Ricky AJ Singkon. Ban pin ko ngo ka sarkar pedeng ban pin trai kam ye ka ILP ha ka jilla. Urakam mula ongru ba UMP belajab laisen uba Vincent H Pala shimla la ban pen ko ngo ya ka sarkar pedeng ban pen trai kam ya ka ILP ya ka jilla bat minta ka jingket clear ka shong ha UMP ka VPP ban pendap yakakam.
About alliance. It is not about alliance. It's a what you call people has brushed NPP with the BJP this time, but it's completely different, right? It's also really listen for the BJP also because they always talk about their ideology rather than governance. But I hope this NDA government will be the balanced government and will certainly being the part of the NDA we continue to get the benefit of the central government. Lesson for it's a wake-up call for everybody, and we accept what happens. So maybe happen for the best. We will still definitely NPP will come back strong in serving, working, and protecting the troubles and the peoples. In retrospect, our honorable chief minister, our president will call for a meeting of review of all the party workers.
Mentang dapat dia kejenglang jaman kasih benang Shillong. Kejeng shat kelong 4.9 degree Celsius bagi kejeng shat kelong 4 degree Celsius. Kejeng skam kau hau kelong prapu a na kasih spa men dapat kendai po na kasih spa janmit. Kejeng hap slap kelong 0.100 mm. Kandon kejeng hap slap haringkat kejeng tiru pertat haki babon kijaka. Shwaban poi shak bukut jong tup kubor ya pek biang sesi ni hakimat pekongsan. Syakjit Menteri Rang Badu Keri Narendra Modi kumunong yalam ke Lok Sabha ke BJP bat ke NDA Parliamentary Party dak ke jengemon lang Jombaro. Kerpat UMLA ke nongpo ye ikong bindas im ban wengno ya ke jeng syak tangan. Kintat ikong bindas im ke jeng kot ngop hajung Deputy Commissioner. Rai ke Sarkar banwan rai ke step marking system hai embos. Bat pelong u District Medical Health Officer NHM Riboy District ke program penkuk buram hai UCC College. Dia perlok ketung lapoi sebukut jang tup kubor jengi bentak ke janmit haduk Malaysia yang berpilih syai ke si keblai pi baro.